hello. How are you all? Yes, today we are. I finally got OBS to work, so I'm lucky. Ooh, wow, it just disappeared. Let's do. I wonder. I have an idea. Let's see. EAS encoder. Access this. Go over to EAS encoder. 3.0.3, well, version 222. Funny. Let's see. I'm going to upload this because Bandicam does not like me and will not record any audio. I already checked all the settings. Like, it sometimes works, but it doesn't sometimes. So we are going to do some tones so I can activate my radios. This is basically just, well, me and everyone else you can. Also, so I guess I'll go. Let's do a special weather statement. Valid for 6 hours and 15 minutes. Indiana, Clark, at location. Let's do Davis, DeKalb. Where's DuPage? Oh man, I want to do Page. Yeah, that's right. You have to go to Illinois. DuPage, DeKalb, DuPage. And I just want to make this the longest and the most annoying header ever. Let's do all of Illinois, DeKalb. I already have that. Jackson, Crawford, Cook, Clark. I already did that. Let's do Champaign. Okay, let's see this. Oh, sender ID. That was somewhat good. Let's listen to this, guys. Here we go, guys. EBS and 1050 hertz. Should be able to activate even with me talking. Special weather statement
SWS.
EOM. Okay. Let's do a flood statement. Flood statement. FS. I'm gonna go with FS. Don't know if that's even right. Let's do a generate and play.
Flood statement FS.
Now we'll do a flash flood statement. No, mind me, I'm just weird. And your 1050 hertz will not
Flash
go
flood
off.
statement FFS.
I just broke my antenna again. I have to fix that. Yeah, I have an antenna made out of tinfoil and a video cable and an audio cable. Don't ask, it's homemade, it's custom. No one's getting one. I'm doing all the statements for some reason. I'll do more. This is my new EAS encoder by Heat Cats and Wheelock Elevator C 2016 Heat Cats. Hurricane statement HS. I'm going to go with that.
Hurricane statement HS.
HS. Okay. Let's do a power outage statement. Let's see, advisor, whatever. There has been a city-wide blackout in Kalamazoo. Consumers, energy personnel are working with, what is it? AIP? ADT? No, that's the home security company. IMP with Indiana, Michigan Power to restore power ASAP. Done. Nice.
There has been a citywide blackout in Kalamazoo. Consumers' energy personnel are working with Indiana, Michigan Power to restore power ASAP.
Okay, I just fixed my antenna. Because I get terrible reception here. Let's get a thunderstorm warning up in here. Thunderstorm warning. TW. India! Ooh. Watch this, I'm gonna match 1050 hertz.
Thunderstorm warning TW.
TW. Oh, I just like to have fun with the EAS alerts, don't ask. Let's do the watch. Watch. TA. 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 Do do ta. Do do.
thunderstorm watch ta.
Let's try a rainfall warning.
Rainfall warning RFW.
Okay, guys, so that's gonna wrap up this episode of EAS alerts for your radios. Yeah, this is it. If you guys enjoyed, see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Maybe in a second. Nah, bye bye.